of winning. And for our halftime show, watch out for Magoo. He will give you the highlights. And of course, Paulo and Richard will break down the numbers. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Rima. PBA Singapore.
So, right. Hold on, I'll just text.
You have friends in Singapore.
I want to go there and watch the game.
28 all here in quarter number 2. Cesar Catley, quick shot, but now the TJ Giants get it the other way. Lanete inside, nice pass, nice look inside to Alvarez, but he was foiled by Arrigo. And now James Yap, almost getting it to go.
And you know, the instructions were obvious from Coach Ryan Gregorio off that timeout. You have to take it strong to the basket. Your outside shots have not been going in. Actually, it was a big turnaround. After shooting 66% in the first quarter, their field goal percentage here in the second quarter dipped to 28%. And it's also a reversal there for the Coca-Cola. Now they're shooting 75% from the field here in the second quarter.
Change of fortunes here in quarter number 2. And now Di Maunahan looking to post him up against Chico Lanete. Di Maunahan's got 8 in the shot clock. Turnaround move, takes it. Battle for the loose ball picked up by Arrigo. Fresh shot clock for Coca-Cola. As Cathy says, I don't want to wait. Let me take this 3-pointer ng TM Plus na yan ay hatid sa inyo ng TM, ang inyong kakampi sa buhay.
You know, that's the second 3-point basket there for Cesar Catley. He did a good job in just staying in his spot, which was the corner for that kickout.
And you really have some players that prefer shooting outside shots from the corner than from the top of the game. I think Cesar Catley is one of those players.
That's correct. And you have to credit also John Arrigo for drawing the defense inside and then finding Catley there in the corner. And you had Rich Alvarez scrambling to close out. Rich Alvarez on the line for Pure Foods.
Well, Alvarez has slowly gotten accustomed to his new team. Playing now in his 5th game with the Pure Foods TJ Giants and starting in all 5 games.
And you know, Rich Alvarez won't take a lot of time to be at home here for Pure Foods. Of course, he has a lot of former teammates there. I mean, teammates at their former team, Red Bull. You have Tofex Robinson, Enrico Villanueva, Paulo Pugias there. Really would be just a slight adjustment here for Rich Alvarez.
31-29, Coca-Cola with the upper hand right now. 5:34 in quarter number 2. Catley. Cesar Catley quick to pull the trigger. Lanete almost losing it now. James Yap to Raimundo. Outside to Rich Alvarez. They're really looking for the opening inside. Lanete with 8 to shoot. Step back Jay. Kirby inching closer and
that's not a good foul there by Cesar Catley because I mean Kirby was not in control of the situation that time. You had Alex Capacnot ready to help. If he spun to the baseline, you had Nick Velasco also there and Asi Taulava. So all you had to do really was just stay in front. Put your hands up.
Well, Catley will pick up foul number 2.
Oh, you have Asi Taulava and the wing guarding James Yap. And look at this. Producing that turnover.
The loose ball foul will go on James Yap. But you pointed out over and over again here in the first half that they're switching everything.
That's correct.
And, well, that's Baby James on your screens. Parehong hairdo, no?
No.
Same, hairdo. Coca-Cola seizing the lead here in quarter number 2. Roger Buenafe, double pump. It's caught off balance and Macapagal has 5 seconds on the shot clock. Velasco only down to 2 now. Capagnot will launch from outside. Good defensive effort by Pure Foods.
Yeah, that was poor decision on the part of Macapagal. He already had an open look. And even with a pump fake, he had his defender committed in the air. The time running down and you're a shooter, you're supposed to take that shot.
Tofex Robinson setting up the play. Kirby
That's right. Now being guarded by Macapagal.
Inside to Villanueva. Here's Raimundo inside now. And, you know, Pure Foods seems to be having problems with this type of a defense coming from Coca-Cola. What are the pros and cons of this type of arrangement?
You know, the problem there for Pure Foods was they were not patient with their offense that time. With the guys switching on each other, you had Asi Taulava guarding James Yap all the way up top of the key. You had Mark Macapagal being guarded by Kirby Raimundo. So it's either you clear out for the post of Kirby Raimundo or you try to isolate James Yap there on top of the key.
This time it's Coca-Cola on the offensive. Cabagnot down low. Asi overshot the basket. James Yap, open court basketball now. Yap. Alvarez. That's Villanueva's turn to post up. Rico. Outside to Raimundo. Watch closely. Kirby gets one. And that will put Kirby Raimundo in double digits now with 10.
Well, we know Kirby Raimundo certainly has that range. And that's why he's part of the national team pool. Because the big guy can shoot it from the outside.
Raimundo and Velasco getting physical inside, and it's an offensive foul here on Nick Velasco.
Pure Foods has been very consistent in their interior defense. I believe ball hitting the face there of Kirby Raimundo as oh, that's faithful. Yun ang sinasabi mo yung Tagalog, pinakain ng bola eh. But that, of course, that wasn't intentional on the part of Nick Velasco. It was just incidental.
No, it was
Nick
not
Velasco will
accidental.
Raimundo overshooting the basket. Picked up by Misolas. Jason Misolas gives a good account of himself in this ball game so far. Cabagnot. Watched by Alvarez. Cabagnot. Turn around move. Nope. 2:51 here in quarter number 2. Topex. Alvarez asking for the ball, begging for it, and good defensive play again by the Tigers. Cabagnot finding Ronjay. Inside to Taulavan, the rock.
You know, that's a better play for the Coca-Cola Tigers. You have Asi Taulava flashing from the weak side, getting the ball inside the paint rather than just posting him up straight. And he has to struggle with a double team.
Cabagnot. They're looking for their bread and butter. Instead, Buenafe driving inside.
A bit too fancy on the top at that time for Ronjay Buenafe.
Now James Yap. That play was spoiled. Here comes Ronjay Buenafe on the other end. Buenafe all the way. He'll get 2 free throws.
That's correct. You know what?